Facebook business page versus Facebook profile. What you need to know in 2025. Today, we're going to explain the difference between a Facebook business page and a Facebook profile, and why knowing the distinction is important for your business or brand in 2025. Many beginners make the mistake of using a personal profile to represent a business, but understanding the differences can help you grow professionally and reach the right audience. A Facebook profile is meant for personal use. It represents an individual and allows you to connect with friends, share personal updates, and interact socially. Profiles have limits on followers, and using them to promote a business can violate Facebook's terms of service. While profiles are great for personal connections, they lack the professional tools needed to grow a brand or business. On the other hand, a Facebook business page is designed specifically for businesses, brands, and public figures. It allows you to showcase your products or services, provide contact information, and access tools to manage your audience. Unlike personal profiles, a business page lets you run ads, schedule posts, track analytics, and gain insights into your followers. This makes it a much more effective platform for marketing and growing your brand. Another key difference is analytics and performance tracking. Business pages give you access to detailed insights, including post engagement, reach, follower demographics, and page views. These metrics help you understand what works and how to improve your content strategy. Profiles do not provide this level of data, making it harder to make informed decisions for growth. Additionally, business pages allow for team collaboration and multiple roles. You can assign admins, editors, moderators, and other roles to help manage your page, which is perfect if you work with a team or virtual assistant. Profiles are limited to a single user and don't offer these professional management options. Finally, business pages enhance credibility and trust. Pages with complete information, reviews, and consistent activity appear professional and trustworthy to customers. This is essential for attracting new clients and building a strong online presence, something a personal profile cannot fully achieve. Understanding the difference between a Facebook business page and a Facebook profile ensures that you use the right platform for your business goals. If you want to grow your brand, reach more people, and access professional tools, a business page is the way to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more guides to help your business succeed online.